Hey guys, what's up? So, I got some big news. Well, at least big news to me. I bought a new truck. She's a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road, 4x4 with 84,000 miles, and I have to say I absolutely love her. 2017 is the newest year vehicle I've owned, and I've had plenty of vehicles, mostly JDM, three generations of Preludes. As far as owning trucks go, my Tacoma is the second. I did sell my 2003 GMC Sierra. I definitely wanted to keep her, but it wasn't practical for me. The reason being partly because I'm in the city now and I don't have room to store her, and one of the other reasons being my brother really wanted my truck. So my brother is now a happy owner of the Sierra. I do plan on doing a lot of mods to the Tacoma, and I will be posting a lot more videos on the days to come. I already did a couple things to her. This video I've had on my editing app for quite a while. Have been slacking a little bit, but like I said, I'm going to be posting a lot more. So there have been a couple things that I have done to her since I've had it. I got her February 26th, I believe is what it was. But definitely, I will make sure I update you guys on everything I'm doing, whether you want to watch it or not. I appreciate all of you, and thank you so much.